In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix my Samsung phone display not working. Let's get started by updating the software on your device. This is often a key first step because software updates can resolve many underlying issues. First, open the Settings app on your Samsung phone. This is where you'll find all the options to customize and update your device. Now look for the Software Update option. You'll usually find this towards the bottom of the list, so keep scrolling until you see it. Once you've found Software Update, tap on it. This step is crucial because it takes you to the section where you can check for any new updates that might be available for your phone. Software updates are important because they often include fixes for bugs and other issues that can cause problems with your display. Next up, tap on Download and Install. Your phone will now check for any available updates. If there are updates available, you will see them listed here. Installing updates is important because it ensures your phone is running the latest version of its operating system, which can help keep everything running smoothly. After that, if there are updates available, go ahead and install them. This process might take a few minutes, so be patient. You will see a confirmation once the update is complete, which means your phone is now up to date. This simple action can often fix display issues, as updates frequently contain patches for known problems. Now, if after updating the software your screen is still not working as it should, don't worry. There might be an issue with the display or the internal hardware of your phone. In such cases, further action is required to address these potential hardware problems. At this point, it's time to consider getting the phone repaired. If your display remains black, flickers, or does not respond even after updating the software, it is possible that the screen itself or some internal components are damaged. This is an important consideration because continuing to use a faulty device can sometimes cause more harm. To address this, you should contact Samsung support. They have experts who can guide you through the troubleshooting process over the phone or online. It's always best to seek professional help to avoid causing more damage to your phone. Alternatively, you can visit an authorized Samsung repair center. These centers have trained technicians who can accurately diagnose and fix issues with your display or internal hardware. Visiting an authorized center is recommended because they have access to genuine Samsung parts and tools, ensuring a quality repair. Remember, addressing hardware issues promptly can prevent further damage and preserve the longevity of your device. So don't hesitate to get in touch with Samsung support or visit a repair center if necessary. Now that you've gone through these steps, you're equipped with the knowledge to handle display issues with your Samsung phone. Keeping your software updated and knowing when to seek professional repair are key to maintaining your device in good working condition. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you resolve your display issues efficiently.